how to install MongoDB on our system. The very first thing what we need to do is we need to download the MongoDB from the URL, that is www.mongodb.com/download center/community. Once we write this URL on the web browser and click enter, we'll be getting this page. After we get this page, we can click on to the button here, that is download. Once MongoDB has started to download, we have to do few things on our system. The very first thing what we need to do is we need to create data folder in C drive. Inside the data folder, we need to create the DB folder. Now we have to open System in Control Panel and click to Advanced System Setting in left panel. In System Properties, we have to click on to Environment Variable and then to Path. Once we have got this, we have to copy the path of MongoDB in bin folder and click on New Path window and save the path, that is C program file MongoDB server 4.0 bin. So we need to do all these things while the things has been downloading. Now let's see how to do it practically. So what we will do is we need to open a browser and we need to write www.mongodb slash download center slash community. And then we'll click on to download here. The things have started to download. Now we need to go to actually C drive and we need to create data folder, and inside data folder we need to create DB folder. Once we have created the folder, we'll just check where is our MongoDB after the download. So it is present in the C drive, program files, then server 4.0 and bin. Once we reach here, we need to save the path and then open System in Control Panel. And this Advanced Setting System, Environment Variable, to search for path variable. Here we need to create new and then we need to save this and OK. Once we have done with these work, now the next step what we need to, after the download and setting the environment variable, what we need to do is we need to reach till the bin folder in MongoDB and press shift and then right click, and there the PowerShell window will open. Once the command prompt has been opened at that path, we need to write mongod.exe and click enter. the services of MongoDB starts. After that, we need to again click on to Shift and right click, open power window here, and then type in mongo.exe. Once we do this, we are able to start the MongoDB and we can start writing commands onto it. So let's see how it works. We will just reach to this place. We need to press on Shift and then right click. We can see here open PowerShell window. We'll click onto it. We'll be writing mongo.d.exe and click on. We have seen the services have started. We can again go back to this window. Press on Shift and right click. Again open PowerShell window. mongo.exe and enter. Now we can start working on MongoDB right from here. We need to keep in mind that the previous command prompt, that is mongo.d.exe, should not be closed, because once it is closed, that is the background process will close, we'll not be able to write onto the MongoDB.